one set.
That's it.
Come on, fish. Think, guy?
I think it's great.
Another hard day in the office.
Yeah, worse than a hard day. Better than a hard day in the office.
What are you doing, Bob?
Well, I want to get this thing right. I want eyes on it, too. You don't put away hooks without protection.
Now, what are you doing, Bob?
Well, we're going to rig an anchovy. Anchovies work the best out here. Small ones like that are nice.
How long a leader?
Oh, that's about a 28-inch leader.
All right.
Ow. Like this. Behind the fin?
Yeah?
Just where the silver hits the black.
Just where the silver hits the black.
These are pretty soft anchovies.
Now you're pulling that second hook up into it, or does that hang?
Oh, that's just so it don't trail.
That trails.
Don't trail too far back.
That's a trailer, okay.
That's it.
That's all there is. Now what kind of action is that going to have in the water? So that's what it's all about, huh?
That's what it's all about.
Okay, let's go catch one.
Okay.
Come on, big fish.
Stale, don't play with stale bait. When they start to go brown, get brown marks on them like this. Brown like that, they're soft.
They're no good, huh? Throw them away. Okay.
Wasting your time.
Now is that good bait?
That is good bait. It's good and hard there,
Yes.
and the hook will go in and stay, and you'll be able to bend the anchovy slightly, and you get a nice turn.
Show me how to hook it up.
All right.
Now I want to see your secrets too now. I don't want you to be holding back anything on me now. How many years have you fished out here, Bob?
About 15 years. I've had my share of luck. I don't think it's luck anymore. I think it's skill. Shortage of fish, it's got to be skill, not luck. Adjust it.
What size are those hooks?
Oh, that's number 4, number 2 treble. We put the eyes on the anchovy hook. Put it in.
Toothpick goes through the head to hold it in place.
Anchored, yep. flat side. Put the flat side of the hook into the flap. Just on the silver meets the black behind the fin. Pull up. There you are.
And that other hook trails.
Now the hook trails.
How many inches a leader?
28-inch leader.
A 48?
28.
Oh, 28. Behind what, a hot spot?
Behind the hot spot. Behind the hot spot flash. Yeah, when I bring up the downriggers, I like to bring them up about 20-foot intervals. Because you may have a fish sniffing at the bait, and all of a sudden when the bait stops, you'll hit it. What's that? Oh yeah, oh yeah, there it is.
You know, at home, us Yankees can use electrics.
Got a fish on there too.
Looks like there's a fish on that rod right there.
There is one too.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Oh, the anchovy. Fish.
Go right, will you, guy? Huh? Go to the right.
To the right, I am. You want to stop?
Lassoed, that's what that trailing hook is for in that anchovy holder. That comes around and lassoes the fish right across the mouth.
It's a nice fish.
Look at that pull on there. We're gonna get her.
Come on, big fish.
We're gonna get her.
Oh, Bob, he's serious here. Big fish. Come on, big fish. How deep, Bob?
149. Tension on that downrigger rod. There you are.
Looking at the monument. A real popular area around here on Beecher Bay.
It's a hot spot.
It's a hot spot.
Where we are now, you fish the ebb tide. Around the corner from the monument, you fish the flood tide. Back eddies are where the fish is.
When you have an outgoing tide, you want to fish this back eddy here on the west side of the monument. The monument, of course, is right here. On the incoming tide, you want to fish this back eddy over here. Right now, we're in 250 foot of water and we're moving in on this shelf area. Real productive area around to fish. The distance, looking towards the west, you see Secretariat Island, and that's up into Sook Harbor, up in through there. Good area to fish along through here. On the incoming tides especially, can be real productive. Big kings, 40, 50 pounds, have been taken out of Beecher Bay area. One of the favorite areas of the Canadians to fish is right where we're at now. Actually, we're due north of Pillar Point. We're almost straight across from Sekiu Pillar Point area right now. Well, how about it, Guy? Any good fishing stories over the years?
No, what do you talk about fishing stories? Right now we're not doing so good. The wind's getting us down, so why wait about best times now? Let's get one on here. Somebody will get busy here, we might get a fish.
Come on, big fish. Looking at the monument. Fish on, fish on, fish on.
caught.
Yeah, what's the biggest fish you've caught?
Alaska was that 70.5 pounder.
About out here off of Beecher Bay.
Oh, caught 36, 35s. That's about the best we've done here. But there have been 59 pounders caught here.
How many have you had on at once out in this area?
3.
3 on at once.
And I was busy. I got all 3 fish.
A lot of chop on the water. Good riptide in here. Come on, big fish.